Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and also leave a comment down below what you guys want to see. Today we are going to be cleaning up the garage. You probably noticed in the last video that it was a little messy, so what we're going to do is we are going to clean all of it today. We're going to be doing a ton of cleaning and reorganizing. So I'm gonna go get dressed, and then we're going to go clean the garage. Alrighty. Look at this disaster we got to deal with today. With the Mayata being really dead smack in the middle, not really having much room over here, and with this wood pile right here, it makes it very hard for me to be able to do anything without worrying about stepping on something, breaking, or dropping the item that I'm working on and potentially ruining the car more than it already is. So with that being said, I'm going to be taking care of a lot of the stuff that's in here today. First thing that we got to do, we got to open this garage door right here, and I got to move the cars back because I'm going to need a lot of room to move things in and out of the shop. Alright, so the main thing I'm going to have trouble with right now is just really dissecting what is needed and what isn't, and then going from there. This already looks 10 times better. Holy cow. Just cleaning up the area made it open up way more, making me think I don't even need to like move to the wood. But I definitely do, because we need to reorganize it. We need to throw some of that stuff away because that stuff is garbage. Sleep in here a little bit, move some stuff out of the way. I've got a table in there I didn't even know I had. Alrighty. Side note, just to let you guys know, this Mayata, we're gonna try and get it done within the month of May. So May is going to be Mayata month. I'm gonna be putting forth my best effort to try anything and everything to get this car up and running. We are gonna be doing a ton of work on this car to make it run. Hey, what is up, guys? I just want to interrupt the video real quick and let you guys know that I do sell merch, and you can go to hyperactivity.net and go check out all the merch. We have everything from hats to t-shirts and even long sleeve shirts for the spring breeze that's going to be coming in real soon. So if you guys are interested, go to hyperactivity.net, go check out all the merch. Thank you to everybody who's already got merch. You guys have been nothing but amazing, and appreciate every single one of you that has been so supportive so far. Thank you guys, and let's get back into the video. Alrighty, so we're already getting a lot more done. I've moved the shelf over already. All this open space right here, move it up here, move it out of the way. It allows for easy, fluid transition. And you're probably thinking to yourself, Ethan, how are you gonna put two toolboxes and your workbench all along this wall right here? It's great that you asked. This workbench is really tall. My storage container over there is not. That workbench is actually going to get moved over the storage box. All right, so we ran into a couple issues. As you can see so far, we have the shelf pretty well set up, and I really like where it's going. But the problem is the wood is too long. It's just long enough to interfere with this door. Now behind that door is the water heater, and if we need to get in there for any reason we can't get through for the house, we need to be able to have this door accessible. So the wood is taking up too much space. Originally I was thinking put it underneath the shelf, but that doesn't look like it's going to be the best course of action. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm actually going to be moving this black box back up over here, which will make it closer to this to make it closer to this guy right here, which will help. I'll move the fridge back over there so that it's over there. We have a nice little mini fridge. The bench is gonna get shot over here, and then the metal container that's right there is still gonna go underneath of it. The wood's gonna get pushed back, and then the blue box is gonna go in. So it may be a little tight, but I would rather it be a little tight than having to interfere with a door that we need to get into in case of emergencies or for whatever reason.
That's what she said.
Alright guys, so quick update. I am sweaty as all hell. I've been fighting my toolbox to get it over here. This bitch is heavy, and I actually broke the handle. Where is it? I broke the handle on this. It is now separated from the box itself. Fun fact, even moving the wood over here as far over as possible, still not enough room by like a foot. No joke. This has been hellacious. It doesn't help that it's very humid today. Oh. So, hopefully I can tidy the rest of things up today. Let's go ahead and continue cleaning this bitch up. Now, by no means is this perfect at all. It's not. There's still so much organization and so much cleaning that still has to happen. Like, I have to clean out from underneath the car. Like, that side is pretty much good, and I have to, like, I'm gonna organize all my tools, so like everything in the blue box is necessary, everything in the black box is secondary. Organize, you know, the tool bench so that it's, or the workbench so it's completely clear. I mean, for the most part, the garage is cleaned up and ready to go. So from here on out, I'm able to fully make any kind of content that I need. I have plenty of space to record, set up a laptop if I decide to do live streaming or anything.